My name is Srinivas Prasad. I work as the HR director for Microsoft and based out of Hyderabad. Every year for the past 7 years, we're actually doing a program called Bring Your Child to Work. And there are two objectives behind this particular program. The one objective is that obviously sometimes children wonder that when parents go to office from morning 9 to evening 6 hours, so what do they do in the office? It's always a mystery for them. So the idea is that bring the children to the office and show them the parents in the kind of environment they work in, especially in Microsoft, how the kind of fun environment that we create here. That's one objective. Second objective is that all these are future citizens of our country. It's an opportunity for us to introduce them to new technology and innovation. So that's the two objectives that we. So as part of that, this year what we are doing is that we are doing a theme called Let There Be Magic. And as part of this particular theme, we are doing 3 different parts here. And one part is for children who are ages between 3 to 8 years, between 9 to 12 years, and also the third one is 12 plus years. So during these 3 different groups, in Hyderabad itself, in Microsoft campus, today we are hosting close to 1200 plus kids. And these 3 different parts, for example, if you take the part of 3 to 8 years group, we are doing something called designing Windows 8 screen. Many of these children, they would have been played and they would have seen Windows 8 phones and they would have seen some really cool Windows 8 screens there. But this is an opportunity for all the children. By using Windows 8 applications, they can draw, they can craft various stuff on the Windows 8 screen, and then they can present to us. For those children which actually bring in very innovative new ways of Windows 8 screen, there's some nice prizes as well. Similar way, for example, for 9 to 12 years children, we are doing something called Silverline Cloud. So as part of this, the kids will be given an opportunity using Windows 8 phones, PCs, and also tablets by shooting various videos, telling different stories, and also using PowerPoint in telling their stories as well. And this will be uploaded on the SkyDrive, and some of the ones which have done really very innovative stuff, once again prizes will be given. For category of 12 plus year children, what we are doing there is they can use a Microsoft integrated program called Kodu, and this what actually it helps is by using this particular thing, without learning complex programming, the children can actually design games and they can play on those games. And one of the things that they are doing this year is just like a treasure hunt. The employees have designed something called Around the World with $0. So as part of this, children can actually virtually visit various countries worldwide, and then they can visit these places and also participate in various games and sports there. So that's one thing we are doing. And all these 3 things, a lot of fun activities are introduced and developed, and then the children can actually play all these games. Personally, from my side, I feel very proud to be part of this particular company. There are 2 reasons. One reason is that amazing company to work for, and second thing is the kind of environment the company is providing not only to the employees, the same thing is getting extended to beyond employees, to the families as well. That's what makes me very happy. I have a child, and he always looks forward to this day where he really wants to come to the office, understand what's happening here, learn this new stuff, and then play around, and also meet a lot of his friends. So the 3 things, for example, in this year, the new thing is the theme, which I told, Let There Be Magic. That's one thing we are doing. And under this Let There Be Magic, the 3 parts that I talked about, design of Windows 8 screen. The second one is Silverline Cloud. And the third one is Around the World in $0. The 3 things, new things which are bringing out this year. So that's always very fun. Lot of positive response. Only in Hyderabad, as mentioned, there are 1200 children visiting us. And we would have actually got many more, because many of the children also go out for holidays. So very good response.